I've been home back in the US for a little while now, and I wanted to share a little bit about what my life looks like in between travels and living abroad, because I think it may not be what you imagine. Bali has changed me in a lot of ways, but I didn't necessarily come home with all the answers. One of those things is where I want to have a home base next. I am currently filming this in Florida, where I'm visiting my family for the holidays. I spent some time in California before this, seeing my cats and more family and friends, and I have some more travels coming up after this. I'm trying not to rush things, and I'm trying my best to be as present as possible because I know things are just going to change soon. I'm in a season of reconnecting with family and friends, but that means I don't have as much time to spend working on my YouTube channel, which is something that became very clear to me while I was in Bali, that I really want to make this a consistent thing. But I've been sitting with the struggle of actually doing that right now. When I got back from Bali, I got a call from one of my video editing jobs, and they were needing some help. And so I spent pretty much the rest of 2025 working on my video editing job. But that meant less time for my YouTube channel. And that's just the reality right now. I am not in a place where I can devote full time to YouTube. I'm not making a living off of YouTube yet. Would love to make that a reality down the line, but it's just not the reality now. Basically, the reality is I am juggling income with creative freedom. So of course that makes me feel like I am behind. I am losing momentum. This is the unglamorous middle of rebuilding something that hopefully lasts. So what is it that I'm actually building? One, a creative life that feels very aligned. So I talked a lot about creative freedom and my YouTube channel already. I am searching for my future home base, and I have spent most of my adult life living in Los Angeles, but I don't feel as called to live there anymore. I'm ready for something a little bit smaller and quieter and new. One of the things that became very clear to me while I was in Bali was that as much as I love filming travel content, more than anything, what makes me the happiest is being out in nature. And I really love filming nature too. And I think wherever I live next, I really desire feeling like I'm amongst nature. That future home base would also include my cats. I also am really looking to have slower, more intentional days. So what's next? I have my fall adventure video that I will be sharing with you. And then in a few weeks, I'll be visiting a place that might have the potential to be a future home base for me. And I also have plans that will be taking me overseas again. And that chapter will be all about creativity and community. And I'm really, really looking forward to sharing that with you. If you're in a middle chapter like I am, I can totally resonate. And I am really glad you're here. Thanks for watching.